Naka Ngen Def Sajambar Njaisla back again with another video of learning Wolof with your boy Njais. Now today the phrases we got is some basically like kind of a question and answer things you'd be using throughout your time on this channel, whether it's with me or people down in the comments. Now let's get straight into this. Phrase 1. What do you think? Yo lan nga fok. Yo lan nga fok. What do you think? Yo lan nga fok. And your response to that would be, that's fine. LOLU bahna. LOLU bahna. That's fine. LOLU bahna. Phrase 2. We got, how does that sound? LOLU num SOUNEH. LOLU num SOUNEH. How does that sound? LOLU num SOUNEH. Phrase 3. We got, could you repeat what you said? Ngane lan. Ngane lan. Now you could also say balalma ngawahat lolu. Balalma ngawahat lolu. But nganelan is just short, simple, and precise. Now your response to could you repeat what you said is yes, listen to what I'm saying. Wow, DEHGAL LUMIE wah. Wow, DEHGAL LUMIE wah. Yes, listen to what I'm saying. Phrase 4. Could you talk slower? Wahal ndanka madega. Wahal ndanka madega. Could you talk slower? Wahal ndanka madega. Phrase 5. We got, thank you, that helps a lot. Jerejef LOLU DIMBELEH bubah. Jerejef LOLU DIMBELEH bubah. Thank you, that helps a lot. LOLU DIMBELEH bubah. Phrase 6. What do you do for work? Lan nga de def pour ligay. Lan nga de def pour ligay. Lan nga de def pour ligay. What do you do for work? And your response to that would be, I work at university. Now your university is just an example. Obviously you can put whatever you want at the end. I work at a university. Dam de ligay si university bi. Dam de ligay si university bi. I work at the university. Dam de ligay si university bi. Now the final phrase, phrase 7, is how can I help you? Mun NALAH DIMBELEH. Mun NALAH DIMBELEH. Mun NALAH DIMBELEH. How can I help you? Mun NALAH DIMBELEH. Sa jambar njaisla. Be benen yon.